As some of you already know, I had quite the experience trying to create this elephant piece, and so I wanted to share this whole video with you, the whole process with you, because I wanted you to fall in love with her like I fell in love with her, okay? And I also wanted to take this time to say thank you to Skyhawk for sending me this beautiful canvas. She is cherished. She's loved. So, moving on to the painting. I know I said that I was inspired by like the colors of like an iced matcha latte on like a semi-arid desert, but now that I've watched the Netflix documentary called Elephant Whisperers, that's my inspo, that's my inspiration. This is my interpretation of the documentary, and I think you should watch the documentary because it's beautiful, especially when it's just, I can't talk about it makes me want to cry. But look, this is my elephant, this is my Zola.